Next, let's talk about S3 Glacier. AWS S3 Glacier is a cloud-based storage service provided by AWS that is designed for long-term data archiving and backup. It provides a low-cost and secure storage for data that does not need to be accessed frequently but must be retained for a long period of time. S3 Glacier is a low-cost, secure, and durable cloud storage service designed for data archiving and long-term backup. Data stored in S3 Glacier is referred to as an archive, and it is stored in Vault. Each archive can be up to 40 terabytes in size. Retrieving data from S3 Glacier can take several hours, but expedited retrieval options are available for higher fees. S3 Glacier supports three retrieval options: standard, expedite, and bulk. Each option has a different retrieval time and cost. S3 Glacier integrates with AWS services such as S3, AWS Backup, AWS Data Pipeline, making it easy to store and retrieve the data as part of your cloud based infrastructure. S3 Glacier provides compliance with several regulatory requirements such as HIPAA and FINRA, as well as data security features such as encryption and access control. S3 Glacier has tiered pricing model based on the amount of data stored, the number of archive operations performed, and the data retrieval options. This makes it a cost-effective solution for long-term storage of large amount of data. Glacier is a storage class that provides low-cost storage for data that is infrequently accessed and stored for a long period of time, typically months or years. Retrieving data from Glacier can take several hours, but expedited retrieval options are available for a higher fees. Glacier is suitable for data backup, archival, and compliance use cases. Glacier Deep Archive is a storage class that provides the lowest cost storage option for data that is accessed rarely and stored for a long period of time, typically more than 7 years. Retrieving data from Glacier Deep Archive can take up to 12 hours, but it provides the lowest storage cost among all storage classes offered by AWS S3 Glacier. Glacier Deep Archive is suitable for long-term data retention, regulatory compliance, and digital preservation use cases.